So here is a little CB500 twin. We pulled it out of a garage. It had been sitting there for over 22 years. A damp garage, I may add, as you can see from the condition of the bike. The fork's been particularly bad. Thankfully most of the corrosion on the bike is superficial and we will be able to do something with that. More concerning is the carburetors. Someone has attempted to remove them to clean them, so we'll have to have a proper look at them and see what's going on with them. I expect them to be pretty gummed up actually. I've always liked these little bikes and I'm really looking forward to getting her back in decent condition. Lots of bits here and here needing done. So the blaster and powder coater will be busy, I would imagine. The brakes will need fully rebuilt too, as well as the electrics looked at. The bike does have very low mileage, I have to say, so it'll be interesting to see if we can get her running. So what I'll do now is I'll give you some still photographs and then we'll get her cleaned up and see how it goes from there. So these just show the bike in a little more detail. Again, just highlighting where the corrosion is. And once we get the bike cleaned up, I'll get it on the ramp and start to strip it. I will be enlisting the help of my friend Boab. He is very helpful in these projects. So we'll get him in. In the meantime, we'll get the steam cleaner fired up and see if we can get some of the grime away and get her dried before we get her in the garage. Here's a tank for the CB500 and it's pretty nasty inside. You can see that. So we're going to get some citric acid and attempt to clean that up. So I've had quite a lot of success in the past cleaning tanks using citric acid. It's just a case of diluting it with some water, leaving it in for a few days, and then having a look at it then. So that's what we'll do. And now we get it on the ramp and begin to get stripped down. Sorry about that angle there. Get the forks stripped, get them packaged up and get them sent away to be chromed. Brakes stripped, cleaned, sorted out. Here's where we're up to. Now I have skipped quite a bit of the video here. Quite a lot of the boring stuff. Cleaning, stripping, painting, etc. But we will see the final result quite soon. Yeah, looks a bit of a jigsaw at the moment. Gives you an idea where we're at. These actually cleaned very well. They were plastic coated. We just removed the coating from them. Starting to go back together now. Forks back, brakes done. It's beginning to look like a bike. The tank is now clean inside and out. Yeah, she's looking more together. Very pleased with how it's coming on at this point.